A sensor made by a solar battery catches strange signals. It is likely to be a solar wind, I assume. However, there are a lot of questions what is the root cause of the signal. Let me explain about the mystery of this waveform. I show you the equipment. The solar panel is covered by an aluminum film shutting out the light. A reverse bias voltage is added to the solar battery. These are the batteries for the bias. The solar panel is set in a box covered by lead plates. The output signal from the solar panel is put into a USB audio capture device and recorded by the Audacity software. Now you are seeing the real-time waveform captured by this equipment. The level of the signal is incredibly big, close to an average mic input signals. They are just spikes, and the frequencies of the spike is low. So it cannot be heard as a sound, but just a noise. In the early half of the last year, 2012, the signal's wave generally strong and frequently observed. Next, I show you the waveform of March the 8th of 2012, when it was said that a strong solar wind reached to the Earth. This is a waveform of the whole day. The leftmost is the midnight of March 7th, and the rightmost is the midnight of March 8th. In the early night, there are just some spikes seen. In most of the time, the signal is silent. Then, around the noon, there are breakouts started, though the first waves are not so big and stop in an hour. After a couple of tens of minutes, the main waves have come. I will show you the details of the signals. See, the waves are actually separated. Every shapes are different. It looks as though sounds from different instruments. It is a wave but discontinuous. Looks like random size of particle waves are passing. And it continues for a day or two. Next, I would like to show you a more surprising waveform. This waveform was captured at March the 13th, 2012. I should emphasize again that the signal is equal to the audio mic input level. The vertical axis is not magnified. Let me expand the waves again. It is again separated with different shapes and big, strong waves. This is amazing. And this is a waveform of the next day, March the 14th, 2012. Strong waves have been broke out almost through one day. Though, strange enough, there are no news of a strong solar storm at these days. The only one information about this severe solar wind is found in the YouTube videos. The Zion Daily News number 120 reported this incredible phenomena by the SWMF simulation. The direction of the solar wind reverted at the midnight of March 13th, 2012. Strangely enough, the result of the simulation as well as the solar wind data was removed from the website. This year, I have carried out an experiment in order to find out the root cause of the signal. This is a graph of the wave of 9 to 10 in the morning of January the 7th this year. The wave was started to be received around 9 in the morning. Then, at 9:28, I stopped adding the bias voltage to the solar panel. The stopping duration is around 2 minutes. The left red bar indicates the no bias period. Then I added the bias again, and the signal came back just as before. After around 2 minutes, the wave suddenly stopped and never came back. At around 9:43, I tried to remove the bias voltage again. Then, again the AC noise appeared until the bias was resumed. This graph shows the spectral of the mysterious wave, which seems to show a random profile. When I remove the battery, it shows the profile of an AC noise. It shows a high peak at 50 Hz and it multiplies. The other picture shows the comparison of the solar battery signal and the signal from a loop antenna for home tuner. The upper signal is the solar battery signal, and the lower signal is the loop antenna's one. From these waves, you can see no magnetic fluctuation is happening even during a large wave is detected by the solar panel. Some of the waveforms are provided in my homepage. members2.jcom.ne.jp/nobsasaki13/. If somebody has an information regarding these strange signals, please let me know. Thank you very much.